Welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. Dr. Ross is not with me right now. She's working on more books and working on the personals.xyz. Make sure to stay tuned for all of our latest and greatest updates on our Instagram and coming to our YouTube. So make sure to subscribe. But let's get into our hot topics, starting it off with Miss Priscilla Presley. That's right, Miss Priscilla Presley is none other than our She's Hot contest winner. Congratulations, Miss Priscilla Presley. But on a sadder note, I would like to shed light and send my condolences to the whole Presley family, especially to Miss Priscilla Presley for the loss of Lisa Marie, her daughter. Let's get into our hot topics. Starting it off with Miss Sherri Shepherd. So, Miss Sherri was on The Breakfast Club, and we have no hate. She was on there rambling, doing her thing, saying different things. Again, no hate. We'd still love to be in a movie with you, Miss Sherri. But she was speaking on different things, shedding a lot of light, and it's always good to see Miss Sherri out there doing her thing. We hear that she's working on a new film labeled Impossible with one of our dear friends, Mr. DKTHAGRUVA.
I'm hustling set, making it do what it do, crew. Recognize, respect my news review coming through. There's cheddar in the atmosphere, ching, watch me get it.
So stay tuned for that. We're gonna put in the trailer and all of the info right here, where you can stay tuned, subscribe, and follow to their channels. Hey! So Michael Strahan recently got his LA Hall of Fame star, just like the Converse All-Stars, and do you, player, dazzle, sparkle it up, be a star. But don't go on that one Amazon rocket with Jeff Bezos.
You're all like, that'll never happen. And then we'll get all cool and you'll be all like, whoa, and then we'll be all like...
Let's get into our next hot topic and final hot topic with Kylie Jenner. So Kylie is back out in the news and she's making a splash once again with Paris Fashion Week.
Called it!
So she went out there and she was wearing a new type of outfit where she had a black dress on, slicked back hair, which looked nice, and a lion's head. Now, she made all of the claims to say that this was man-made, it was not taken from an actual lion, so, PETA would not be on her back like a few other celebrities, but I personally wasn't rocking with the style. I think that Kylie could have done something different. She's done better, but it's not one of the worst looks out there. I just think she should have worn it on the back, maybe more like a cape instead of wearing it like the baby. We'll put the photo right here with the baby on the front. That's kind of what it reminded me of. But we still have all love for you, Miss Jenner. That's for you. I'd still love to take you out to lunch, brunch, and or dinner the next time in LA and the next time our paths cross. These were all of our hot topics, but make sure to stay tuned for the cruise episode, which is coming up soon. That's going to be recapping everything we did on the cruise, as well as the personals.xyz. The trailer is going to be out for that one soon. We're going to be keeping you guys posted, telling you all about it on our Instagram and YouTube channels. But don't forget about the Jamaican shampoo. As you can see, the Jamaican shampoo gives you that look, that luster. And the proof is in the pudding.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Ross and I, we use it once every month to clean out the residue and make our hair look fresh. So if you want that look and that luster, go to the link down below to purchase the Jamaican shampoo and the Jamaican clothing products for you, your friends, family, and relatives. These were all of our hot topics. We'll see you on the next episode. We're out. Vaya con Diaz.